On behalf of Johnson's Institute of Technology, in this session, we're going to present about a case study about Tata Nanocore failure. It is presented by myself, Purni K, and my teammate Ponraj M of final year CSCB. Let me get into the session. First slide, we're going to see about introduction. What is a short introduction about Tata Nanocore? It is a city car made by Tata Motors. We all know that. We all know that it is a budget-friendly car and it was launched on a price tag of rupees around 1 lakh. This car was targeted to bought instead of motorcycle. Obviously, all middle class people wishes to get a car. In order to giving it in a 1 lakh rupees, it's easy for middle class people to get it. Next, but unfortunately, it had failure due to some reasons. Next, we'll see about what are the problems we have identified in this car. Giving a car a cheap image. Obviously, getting a car for low price, we all consider it as a cheap car. Next, appearance of a car. The car is very compact. The size of the car is very small. Small engine, small wheels. Obviously, the appearance of a car is not much effective. And the negative publicity of the car. Uh, Giving a car on a very low price, people consider it as a very cheap car and a very low quality car, so it becomes a negative publicity for the car. And increasing competition of the second hand market, and engineering and design gone wrong. The stability of the car and the engineering design of the car was not much in a better quality. Next, expectation and versus reality. The Tata company has advertised this car as a um, good quality car with low price, but the reality was not is, is obviously an opposite one. Next, wrong product placement. Next, we'll see the SWOT analysis of Tata Nano. What are all the methodology? We'll look into the strengths. Strengths of Tata Nano car is obviously the affordable price, that is we'll call as middle class car, and easy to drive in traffic conditions. Since the car is very small and we can able to drive in a traffic condition in an easy manner. Low maintenance and handling cost. There it is no maintenance, that is in a low maintenance, and handling cost is also very low. Good fuel efficiency. Obviously, middle class people will see the good mileage. Tata Nano car is with good fuel efficiency and common man's cars. The name suggests common man. The name suggests that middle class people also get a new car, that is tagged as common man's car. Next, we can look into the what are the weakness that the Tata Nano car faces. Perceived as a cheap product. Being a low quality product, it is perceived as a cheap product. Limited international presence of Tata Nano. There it is no international market for Tata Nano. Setting up of production plant in WB caused a lot of tension. Next, the next opportunities are all described by my teammate.
As she said, we next saw about the opportunities in the Tata Nano. There are some of the opportunities in the car that Tata Nano can capitalize on the fact that is the most affordable car and acquire customers. Yeah, it is most affordable in price and comfort, and it acquired many more customers for the low rate car. Next, promoting CNG model at the earliest and attract public passenger car segment. Yeah, it's promoting a CNG model at the earliest, so it is compact and attract for public passengers. It is very attract. Its size is quite small and is affordable for the budget for middle class families. Increase international market presence. Obviously, it has a international marketing, augmenting the distribution and service network in various countries. It has service and distributions and augmenting in all over the globe. Next, we saw about the threats. Increasing fuel cost. It may cost fuel high increasing of amount. Competitive products, same level of features at low. The competitive products has a low level at its price. So it is a negative for that product. Customer precision of nano cars as a cheap cars. Customers thought it was a cheap car because it was a, amount around 1 lakh, so it has a threat. Competition from other big automobile chains. Its competitions are very big automobile chains compared to this. Next we saw about the conclusion. The car would not perform well on the roads as it is small engine, poor suspension, small wheels and no safety. The car is small, so obviously it has a small wheels, small roads, small engine, so it is has no safety. Tata Nano car has shifted its factory from West Bengal to Gujarat due to political pressure. It caused a delay in production as well as increase in the price of the car. First, the first the factory was in the West Bengal. Next, it shifted to the Gujarat for some political pressures in the local areas. It caused delay in production as well as the increase the price of the car. It changed the West Bengal to Gujarat, so it may cause high. Through the car was launched to the affordable, it was now available starting at 2.5 lakh. Other car manufacturers have offered cars with the same price with more features and safety. It cost around 2.5 lakh. In other competitive car, it also have a same features and same mileage, and it also offers the same amount or it with lower than this Tata Nano. So it was a failure model for that reason. And thank you.